Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify music or songs not playing. To know how to fix or how to solve songs not playing, you should just go settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this list of app and for you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.